Meaning of dismiss.
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 Dismiss. The word dismiss means to reject, refuse or discharge someone or something from one's consideration, authority or employment. It is often used to describe the action of ending a task or the employment of an individual due to poor performance or misconduct. When someone is dismissed from their job, they are terminated from their position and are no longer employed by the organization. This can lead to negative consequences for the individual, such as loss of income and difficulty finding new employment. Therefore, it is important to approach dismissal with care and appropriate documentation.